Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to type the letter first on Canva. So the first thing we need to do is open up your Canva website, and after that just open up a blank sheet like this, and I'll just show you with a blank sheet. So first of all, add a text box and write here first. So after you write first here, just make it a bit smaller and then duplicate it and put this one here and make this one a little bit bigger. After that, just cut out the ST, and from here cut out the 1. So for making this look like first, just drag it here, and here you have it. Yeah, so there you have it. That's how you can type first on Canva. And you can do it like for the other, like second, third, and everything else in the similar way. So that's it with the video, guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.